The execution of this project has been mind-blowing.
We're at the Dorchester and we've just completed the installation of the new laundry.
Here at the Dorchester, we do a 3-hour turnaround service, and it's all about the quality of having your garment back.
So the Dorchester already had a laundry in place. There was a collection of old equipment, a mixture of different manufacturers being serviced by different suppliers. Our challenge was to bring in a complete new laundry, all serviced and looked after by Washco.
I grew up with Miele in the basement. My mother had a little guest house, and we were always very proud as kids to think that our washing machine at home was bolted into the floor. And I don't remember it ever breaking.
For the Dorchester to have Miele in its laundry, it reinforces that the whole brand and the quality of all the products that they're producing through the laundry rings through into the hotel and gives their customers or their guests the best experience within the hotel.
Walking into the laundry for the first time, the most challenging issue was the access into the laundry. We're third floor and access from the road would be only via a crane.
Nice and slowly upgrade.
When we had a challenge with access, they went back to the drawing board and said, okay, we can do this in a day instead of 2. And that just absolutely revolutionized the whole project, and it just removed this worry from me. And that is what I think was the service element that I've seen from Washco so far.
We're here same day, next day, ensuring that we have all the parts on the machines, and again, because we understand all the products we're looking after and we supplied them, we're able to give that high first time fix rate.
I have increased capacity because of the location. We've been able to clean up because things are so much more compact. I really just love the speed and the quality that when you wash and dry, and just the technology behind it that impressed me.
Here we look after every piece of equipment. We've installed it from the start and we're able to control and look after the maintenance ongoing. We've got the Miele professional washing machines, which will handle most of the guests' personal wear and chef whites and some of the table linen.
Washco has come in to train all my staff. There's about 20 plus people, and I'm really excited about that.
Select your program, and we'll take that one, press the middle button, press the program, press the start button, and off we go.
Oh, it's easy.
Simple.
We're really proud to have a Miele laundry here at the Dorchester and to work alongside Washco to ensure the smooth installation, and the process of putting all the equipment in here has gone really well, and it's good to see that the Dorchester are very happy with the end result.